How's the pressure?
Oh, it's nice. Wow, Phoebe, you are good.
Stating the obvious, but thank you. And it's not weird, is it?
No.
Hey.
I gotta tell you, yesterday was amazing. That massage felt so good.
No, I got that.
So, what do you say we make it a weekly appointment?
Okay. Okay, well, you should know, though, I've raised my rates to $200 an hour.
Oh, okay.
I mean, 500.
What?
600.
What's going on?
Oh, you make sex noises when you get massaged. Well, yeah, and it really freaked me out. And after a while, I even tried to hurt you, and it just spurred you on.
What? You're crazy. There's nothing sexual about the noises I make.
Really? There's nothing sexual about this? Oh. Oh, God. Oh, whoa, whoa, whoa. What are you looking at? I mean, hi.
Oh, this is so embarrassing. Oh, my God, I'm never going to get massaged again.
No, you can't let this stop you from getting massages. No, look, I have lots of clients that make the same noise as you do.
Really?
Well, not clients, lovers. Let's just, we'll try it again, come back, and we'll work through it.
You sure?
Yes.
I guess.
Great. Okay, now just, if you'll just excuse me. So, did you hear something you liked?
Not too shabby. I got this all up myself. Using my wife's tools. Oh, my God.
How did you get in there?
You're messy.
No, you weren't supposed to see this.
I married Fred Sanford.
No, Chandler, you don't understand. Okay, fine. Now you know, okay? I'm sick.
No, honey, you're not sick. Look, I don't love you because you're organized. I love you in spite of that.
Really? You promise you won't tell anyone?
Yes. And look, now that I know, if I've got some extra stuff lying around, can we share the closet?
Oh. Well, it's just, I'm afraid you might mess it up. Oh.
That's it. Just relax.
Oh.
Come on, more.
Oh, God.
Yeah, you like that, don't you?
Oh, yeah, right there.
You want it there, you take it there, baby.
Phoebe?
Yeah, say my name. Say it. And now I'm going to cover you back up. And, won't be speaking with you for several weeks.